Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Arif and you are listening your online session of Dr. Sunil Patel Education Center Aroul. So today's topic is your chapter is rational numbers is going on and today's topic is subtraction of rational numbers. So subtraction is the inverse of addition. Subtraction is the inverse of addition. How can we define it? Subtraction is the inverse of addition. That means सब्ट्रैक्शन एडिशन का उल्टा यानी इन्वर्स होता है. लेट a अपॉन b एंड c अपॉन d be two rational numbers. Suppose we have two rational numbers a upon b and c upon d. Then subtracting a upon b from c upon d. That means subtracting, first we have two cases. First we subtract a upon b from c upon d. Then how to subtract it? That means adding the negative of a upon b to c upon d. That means adding the negative of a upon b to c upon d. Negative of a upon b will be minus a upon b. This is a upon b and negative of a upon b will be माइनस ए अपॉन बी. ये अपॉन बी का नेगेटिव होगा, इसको बोलेंगे एडिटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ ए अपॉन बी. दैट वी हैव लर्न इन लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स. सो ए अपॉन बी का नेगेटिव होगा माइनस ए अपॉन बी. वी जस्ट ऐड नेगेटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ ए अपॉन बी टू सी अपॉन डी. सो वी राइट सी अपॉन डी प्लस, हमें सी अपॉन डी में ए अपॉन बी नेगेटिव ऐड करना है. सो वी ऐड ए अपॉन बी नेगेटिव. दैट विल बी सी अपॉन डी माइनस ए अपॉन बी. Second case is subtracting c upon d from a upon b. So that means adding negative of c upon d to a upon b. पहले हमने a upon b को c upon d से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, जिसका मतलब था c upon d में a upon b का नेगेटिव ऐड करना. c upon d में a upon b का नेगेटिव को ऐड करना. दैट मीन्स c upon d माइनस a upon b. अभी c upon d को a upon b से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. देन एडिंग negative of c upon d. That is what? That is minus c upon d to a upon b. Negative of c upon d को a upon b में ऐड करना है. So we added a upon b plus negative c upon d. That will be a upon b minus c upon d. This is subtraction of rational numbers. Now we have two properties of subtraction for rational numbers. First property. So first property number 1, the difference of any two rational numbers is always a rational number. टू रैशनल नंबर्स का डिफरेंस, जब हम टू रैशनल नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं एक दूसरे से, सो द रिजल्ट विल बी ऑलवेज अ रैशनल नंबर. सो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल फॉर दिस प्रॉपर्टी. वी हैव टू रैशनल नंबर्स लाइक 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. These are two rational numbers. Then on differentiating these rational numbers, that is 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. That will be 3 minus 2 upon 5 because the denominators are equal, is equal to 1 upon 5. So we get 1 upon 5 on differencing these two rational numbers. We get 1 upon 5. This is also a rational number. So the difference of any two rational number is always a rational number. 1 upon 5 is also a rational number. And this property is known as closure property for subtraction of rational numbers. This property is known as closure property for subtraction of rational numbers. Next property, property number 2, existence of right identity. Existence of right identity. For any rational number, suppose we have a as rational number, we have a minus 0 is equal to a. If we subtract 0 from a, we get a. But 0 minus a is equal to minus a, not equal to a. Just like addition में था, suppose we have a, then if we add 0 to a plus 0. If we add a plus 0, then we get a. But if we add 0 plus a, then also we get a. But in subtraction, a minus 0 is a, but a 0 minus a is minus a, not equal to a. Therefore only right identity exists for subtraction. ये इसमें दोनों साइड से इक्वल नहीं होता है. So only right identity exists for subtraction. This property is also known as subtraction property of 0. Subtraction property of 0. So let's take an example for this property. According to this property, जैसे एडिशन में होता था, if we add one rational number, suppose we have 3 upon 7. If we add 0 to it, it will always 3 upon 7. Or we add 0 plus 3 upon 7, that also be 3 upon 7. But in subtraction, if we subtract 0 from 3 upon 7, we get 3 upon 7. But if we subtract 3 upon 7 to 0, 3 upon 7, 0 minus 3 upon 7, that will minus 3 upon 7, negative 3 upon 7. When we subtract 0 from 3 upon 7, we get positive 3 upon 7. When we subtract 3 upon 7 from 0, then we get negative 3 upon 7. This is the difference. So only the right identity exists for subtraction. ये हमेशा सेम नहीं होता है. So this property is known as subtraction property of 0. There is a note for this property. Cumulative and associative property are not applicable on the subtraction of rational numbers. So what was cumulative property? Cumulative property थी जिसमें हम रैशनल नंबर्स को किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड कर सकते थे, चाहे 3 अपॉन 7 प्लस 4 अपॉन 7 हो या 4 अपॉन 7 प्लस 3 अपॉन 7 हो. इनको किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड करेंगे, आंसर इक्वल आएगा. बट इन सब्ट्रैक्शन 3 अपॉन 7 माइनस 4 अपॉन 7 एंड 4 अपॉन 7 minus 3 upon 7 will be different, does not equal to 0. And associative property was when we grouped two rational numbers in out of 3 rational numbers, there will be no change, but in subtraction this will change. Thank you.